I'm Kalyani. I came from Hyderabad. I'm a software professional. Basically, I'm suffering from low back pain from last 1 month. It's very, from last 1 month, the pain is very severe. I went to orthopedic. He suggested an MRI scanning. In MRI scanning, it was found that the L3, L4, and L5 disc bulge is there. Due to that, I am getting like severe pain. Doctor told that we cannot go for a surgery because it is just initial stage, and for me there is no any nerve compression.
Okay.
Only 70% of problem is there. He told that would be a bit nuisance for me. Every time the pain will come, and I need to take rest for 10 to 15 days, and again go back to my work. He suggested me physiotherapy for 10 days, but after physiotherapy also there is no relaxation or there is no relief from pain. I cannot do a forward bending, or I cannot sit continuously for 2-3 hours, or I cannot walk continuously for 2 hours. That sort of work I cannot do. After that, I came to know about the Nature Cure treatment in Bhimavaram. Basically, I came here for weight reduction. Due to my weight, my spine is getting some pressure due to my weight, so that I'm getting back pain. Doctor told to reduce my weight. For that, I joined in Bhimavaram Nature Cure Hospital. After joining here, Dr. Gopal Raju, he's from US. He is BNYS. He returned from US. He just given me touch therapy. He has taken 2 sittings. Each sitting 40 seconds. In 2 sittings only, the pain is totally wiped off. And now today I am very flexible with my spine, and I am able to do my forward bendings. I am able to sit happily for 2-3 hours. I am able to do yoga. I am able to go for walking. And now in front of system also for 2-3 hours I am comfortable sitting and doing my work. I am very happy for this. Previously, before coming to Nature Cure, I invested huge amount of money for physiotherapy, and I was admitted in Yashoda hospitals. So many things I've done, but no use. After joining in Nature Cure and touch therapy, so much relaxation is there.
Excellent. So you feel lot of comfort.
Comfort and.
Can you show me how much you can bend? Go a little that side. Yes.
Previously, I can bend up to here only.
Okay.
Beyond that, I cannot bend.
Okay.
But now, after his treatment and after his touch therapy, I can do it good.
Excellent. Excellent. You feel comfortable then?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Apart from my low back pain, I'm having this neck pain also.
Okay.
Because I continuously sit in front of the laptop or system and I do my work, I'll get this neck pain. For every 10 to 15 minutes, I need to pop up myself like this.
Okay.
He also gave the touch therapy treatment to my neck also. After that, the pop-up is absolutely stopped. I cannot move or pop up myself. Now
Okay.
I am very flexible with my neck also.
Okay. Like that's good, especially for your neck pain. Come, I'll show you. Turn this side. Her neck pain she used to have neck pain from here, and it used to radiate both the sides. What I did is it's a superficial touch, just like how you use Apple touch screen, how finely you do. It is the same kind of fine touch in a particular direction pattern I did, and I think it took around only one sitting, that too only for 20 seconds or even less. How do you feel after that? Can you turn this side?
After his touch therapy on my neck, I am very comfortable with my neck. I need not pop up my neck every time for every 10 minutes or 15 minutes where I do previously.
Yes.
On front of system also I am feeling very comfortable.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for it.